All right. We are back. Wild Wednesdays, hump day, baby. We're halfway there to Fresh Cash Friday. Right now, looking at the NASDAQ overnight, what do we got? The overnight move here, very tight move. What do we get? I think we, from like the 340s to the 400s, so like a 60-point move range overnight. So a very tight range here overnight. Kind of doing one of these right now. We got a pivot point to the upside. We closed yesterday there at the 340s, and then we've got yesterday's low down here at the 255s. So 255, yesterday's low, key area obviously, but right now we're holding up there at yesterday's close there at the 340s. Going into the open here, so we're gonna find out this very small range overnight. So very small range overnight. Right now, looking at the 15-minute chart, if we pull up the hourly chart, you can see kind of just still very much stuck from inside of like this range that we were in there yesterday, the end of the, pretty much after 10 o'clock, we started just ranging between 20,440 and then that low down there. So we'll see what happens here today. See what happens with the move today. Right now, hourly chart, the ES, the NASDAQ, everything just going sideways overnight. So let's see how she plays. The ES and the NASDAQ both just sitting right there above yesterday's close. NVIDIA did gapped up. Yeah, NVIDIA gapped up here. Only like a $2 or $3 gap right now, but we got 10 minutes till market opens. 10 minutes. Got to stretch it out sometimes. Am I packed up, ready to go to Florida? Not yet. Still got a few more days. Probably won't pack till the last and final day, you know, until I have to. Until I absolutely have to pack up. Until then, I'm just riding the move, man. We're riding the moves. I don't want to go home. I don't want to go home. Don't make me go home. Nah, I'm looking forward to getting back to Florida. Got a lot of stuff going on in Florida right now, and got to get back there and get some work done. Got the Lambo ready to pick up. Got the McLaren ready to drop off. We got boat stuff going on. We got fishing stuff coming up. Adam Walls, can you change your course price to $499? What am I doing on the McLaren? Getting it lowered, getting some new wheels, and then also doing a new wrap on it as well. Doing a new wrap on the McLaren, a new wrap on the Lambo. Kind of a little matching set. We'll see how it looks. Am I going to be out of YouTube? No, we'll be back Monday, Mega Money Mondays, live from Florida. Right now, the NASDAQ 15-minute chart. Where is she going to go? What kind of wheels? Hot Wheels, baby. ICT says that you are better than ICT. Well, we already knew that. He didn't need to say that. We already knew that. All right. NASDAQ pulling back here after hitting that downward trend line from the overnight session, the overnight low down there. Kind of in this range here, that 330, 340 area, 329. Rip said bad things about me earlier. Well, that's totally fine. Hey, if they're not talking about you, then you're not doing anything worth talking about. So let them talk, because we're going to keep on winning. Sam got paid out from Apex yesterday, less than 24 hours. Oh, let me see if I got paid out already. Let me look. Let me look at the computer. Yeah, I got paid by Apex as well. So I requested the payout on Monday and just had the money hit my bank account today. So like to see it, love to see it, want to see it. Let's do it. That was actually faster than Top Step paid me out. That's kind of funny, actually. So Apex paid me faster than Top Step. So I requested a payout from Top Step for the 25,000 on Monday. I requested that, and I still have not gotten it. But Apex has already hit my bank account. Look at that, Apex stepping it up. Mike Up Attack's really gonna have a heart. He's really gonna have a heart attack when he finds out. That Apex paid me out faster than Apex paid me out faster than Top Step. I literally requested a payout on Top Step over the weekend. I requested the payout from Apex on Monday, and yeah, baby, it hit my account. We got 4 minutes here till market opens. 4 minutes till market open. 4 minutes till market open. FTT will take 2 months. Probably. Do you think that Apex paid you quick because of your 259,000 subs? Maybe. I saw somebody else in the chat said they got paid out already as well, so. I mean, whatever. Never take profit. Apex paid me within 30 minutes the other day. Apex is truly improving. Hey, like I said a couple of months ago, I was like, look, at this point, all they can do is just try to be better. You know, that's you got to just kind of is what it is. Not really much else to say about it. So it looks like they're trying. Give them the benefit of the doubt. We'll see. Right now, the NASDAQ pivot point to the upside, 20,418. Pivot point all the way to the downside at 20,177. If we lose this overnight low, I think it's very, very believable that we'll test the yesterday's low and possibly more right now. This overnight move here just kind of staying below this trend line. We got the close from that, the close from yesterday there at the 342s. So let's see what happens here. 2 minutes till market opens. 2 minutes. 12,000 people watching the stream. That's funny. We're the most watched YouTube channel on the internet. 12,000. Why is, who botted me? Somebody bought fucking, somebody bought. I did not do that, by the way. Whoever did it, you're not funny. Whoever did it, you ain't funny. All right, you're not funny, people. Those aren't real. Those are not real people watching. 12,000 fucking idiots. YouTube's pushing me, baby. Pushing me. Why do they do that? Here we go. Market about to open. Less than a minute here. Get ready. $30 seconds. Pulling back here into the low again. 15-minute chart. Do we just waterfall straight through this low? That's my question here. That's my question. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. Here we go. Market is now open. Down there to the 342s. I feel like it would just be too easy if it just goes straight through there, right? That would just be too easy. There's no way it just goes straight through there, is it? Well, I guess they could just go straight through there. Damn it! NASDAQ breaking through that overnight low already, straight down here. 320s coming up now. Got that 20,300 area there next, obviously. And then yesterday's low down there at the 260s. So first 2 minutes, first 1 minute candle already straight down here. Get right through that 300 level there next. Oof. It's a ripper, boys. NASDAQ down there to the 20,300, straight back up right now. NASDAQ, the NVIDIA finding some support down here. NASDAQ and the ES just straight down here currently. Bear flag here to get through that 20,300 level there next. Go straight through the 300s. Through the 300s now. $260s coming up here. $260s, baby. 20,000 $260s. We'll see if we can get it down there. Can you think? Needs to just dump right through this 280 area, go right to the 260s. Just dump it. Dump it. $280s wants to go. The ES trying to make a new low. NASDAQ sitting right here at the lows. They're just chopping around there. $13,000 viewers. Wow. We're so fucking famous. Take out the 280s, go right to the 260s there next. Just got to break through that 280 area. or right there at that pivot point, 87 on the hourly chart pivot point. So a little consolidation here before that next move down. I did short. Well, bear flag here. Stay below this 300 level. Go down to the 60s. Oh. It wants it. Trying to lose that 280 support and go straight down into the 70s now. Give me that 60 touch, baby. Come on. Daddy wants it. 60 touch coming up. Why am I short? Because this is the most obvious short in the entire world. From the 300 break. Down there to the 70s. I'm all out of the short now. Stopped out last there at 87, so I'll take that. Shorting from that 300 break, covering down at the 74s. My short was 304, 20,304, right for that break through the 300s. Didn't you say do reverse what the YouTuber does? Yes, do reverse of me. Go long. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Hurry. Some weird looking candles right now. Waiting to see. See what happens here next. NASDAQ stuck there below that 20,300 level for now. Trying to take out that 270 low here. Down there through the 270s now. Going for yesterday's low, baby. Here we go. You gotta love it. Took the short there. Look at it, still going through the low now, through the 250s. Took the short there on the fast track account. So you can see just locking that in, $320. Nice and easy. Look at that thing. Still going lower. Fuck me. Still going lower. Well, like we said at open, I guess it was too easy. Market just wanted to go straight down there. 15-minute range is now in place. Got your 15-minute range there, the low 240 and the high here all the way up at the 58. So got about a 100-point move on that 15-minute range now. You got a pivot point to the downside there at the 20,178s now. She's still going. Fucking A. 240s now, 240s. So like we said, staying below that 20,300 level, straight to the fucking grave, boys. 240s. She gone into the 30s now. How are you trading multiple prop firms at the same time? Because I'm good, I'm smart, I'm a genius. There's the move now, like we said, right through that 60 area. We took out the low of day yesterday from yesterday here. So feel like we're find some support down here near yesterday's low. Andrew Hamill said that you thought that we wait always for the first 15 minutes. I mean, on this type of setup here, my friend, you got to look at this setup and be like, damn, it's too obvious. The overnight move just went nowhere. We were stuck right there at open. I mean, I don't want to say it was like simple and easy, but the fact that we did what we did overnight just basically set us up for a big old bear flag to the downside. So you know, the guy in the comments that went, who said go long this morning? Who said that? Who's crazy? What crazy fuckers are out there? Who's doing that? Who said that? All right, NASDAQ down at this low area. I'm not sure if I want to take the 15-minute break to the downside, to be honest, after that big move down at there already, but maybe we head on down through the 200s next. I do feel like there's a little bit of a reason to bounce back up here some, you know. A little bit of a reason to bounce back up here, just a little bit. I'm all out of the shorts, yes. Currently flat, waiting to see what happens here next. Would love to. It would be sick to get like a little bit of a pushback up here. You know, a little bit. It'd be sick. Bear flag, ready to break again to the downside here. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. ES looking weak, NASDAQ looking weak. See if we make a new low right here. There's the new low. Still going. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, do one big favor, blow up the like button. It's free to like. The viewers left. No, all 13,000 of them left. Fuck. Eee. Top Step's long here at the 20,222. So you know what that means. You know what that means. We're going straight down. All in short. Just kidding. Just kidding. Our next kind of level is 20,196 is down there. The Dow right now going straight up here. Dow going straight up. That's funny. The Dow at all-time highs, just continuing higher here. See if the NASDAQ's gonna get some love in over here. Right now, chopping around here at the 15-minute opening range. Right now, NASDAQ just finding a resistance there. We haven't had like a proper like retracement, you know, so NASDAQ making new lows here again through the 220s. ES and NASDAQ trying to find some support down here. Looking weak for now. Kind of holding up there, bear flagging below the 15-minute range for now. Looking weak. Back up here again. NASDAQ just sitting down here at the lows right now. The YM trying to make Dow trying to make new highs right now. Getting very tight here right here. Something's going to happen. ES is trying to find some support here. Was I maybe get through that 30 area, get a little pop up. Right now it's stuck there below the 30s. Got that 21 EMA up there at the 65s. You can see on the 5-minute chart, kind of trying to push back up here a little bit. 15-minute chart kind of setting us up there. The high of that last candle, 50, what was that? 59. Right through the 30s there, up there to the 60s now. Like we said, that 30 area is getting real tight. There's that little push back up. See if we'll get that 15 EMA there at the into the 60s next. The ES just went straight back up. Big old boner candle to the upside there on the ES. ES actually closed the gap back up above yesterday's close on the ES now. NASDAQ gap fill would put us all the way back up there to the 340s. Back inside the 15-minute range here. The ES trying to push back up. Oh, buddy. NASDAQ through that 21 EMA up into the 60s, just like we said. Through that 30, the breakout. The high of that last candle, that little candle right there, 33s, the D222 up there to the 21 EMA now. ES is trying to push. NASDAQ still very much red on the day. Can it fill the gap? NASDAQ's gap fills all the way back up there to the 340s, by the way. You got the VWAP up there at the 313s next. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, do one big favor, blow up the like button. It's free to like. ES pushing on the ES right now. YM Dow making new highs. Let's see if we get a little bull flag here on the NASDAQ now, or if we start to sell back down, but I think this is reversal time. What if these drops are just to gain liquidity and we're about to see the biggest bull run in history? Well, it's not a bad way to look at it. Market creating some liquidity on the way down just to pop it right back up. We're going to go right to the VWAP here. To the VWAP, man. Look at this reversal right now. The ES right now is literally just going to the moon. ES is about to try to break through the overnight high. So the ES trying to push straight up here through the overnight high right now. NASDAQ obviously lagging here, but if we can go, we can go. If we can go, we can go. That's the famous last words I like to tell myself. If we can go, we can go. What has been will be, and what has been will undo what has done to ourselves. NASDAQ pushing, pushing, pushing. What has been, what will be has been. And also, I'm from a middle class family. I grew up in a place where people mow their yards. People where I come from, people mow their yards. That's the kind of place I'm from. Where I'm from, the middle class, we mow our yards. Do I own a gun? Yes. I'm from law enforcement. Have I shot it? Yes. At a gun range. Yes, I've shot it. I'm law enforcement. I have a gun. I have a Glock. You know what a Glock is? Yeah, I have one of those. They gave it to me my first day in Ho school. When I was going to Ho school, they said Kamala, you're gonna need a gun to shoot the nasty pimps. So here's a gun. God, who the fuck is buying this shit? What dum-dum is out there going, man, that Kamala Harris, she's a real peach. We got to put her in the White House. We got to put Kamala Harris in the White House because that is what needs to be done. What can be done today can be undone tomorrow. What could be done today could be undone tomorrow. NASDAQ back up here to the pivot points. Pivot points. VWAP coming up here. Do we flip the VWAP? Oof. Look at this thing. Be my liquidity, Patrick. I love you. Why? How am I your liquidity? What does that even mean? Explain to that. How does that work? I got long for the break over the 30s. How am I your liquidity? What are you talking about? Patrick, you're my liquidity. Patrick, I just wanted to come to your live stream to tell you that you're my liquidity. You're my liquidity, Patrick. Haha, I got you. My liquidity. All right, NASDAQ right back up here to the VWAP. Did we clear out the VWAP here next? The ES having a little bit of trouble getting through the overnight high now. Bulls seem like they're in control here, though. Them bulls looking like they in control. I think it's interesting how many people claim you have spent so much on money on account resets. You know what they don't talk about is how much money I make in general, though. Millions, millions, millions. NASDAQ right here at the VWAP. NASDAQ right here at the VWAP. ES is back above yesterday's close right now. ES has closed the gap and now currently back above it, but pulling back here. So ES is above the VWAP, NASDAQ below the VWAP here. Will they sync up? They need to sync it up. Sync it, baby. Minute chart retraced pretty much right into the middle of that first 15-minute candle. So right now we're in the middle of the 15-minute range. I'm a pretty firm believer that if we get through this middle of this 15-minute range, we get the breakout to the upside, we would then push up there at 20,416. So right now I just got to get through this VWAP. Both the ES and the NASDAQ bull flag in here. Bull flagging. Will they break? They're trying to put a little flag in here. Right below the VWAP for now. Bull stepping in here again off of that 21 EMA. Getting real tight here. Got to get through the VWAP. VWAP right there at the 310s. Does it have the strength to go? See if we get through this 310 area. We should start to try to fill that gap, to close that gap from yesterday. The ES obviously already broke out to the upside there. Through the gap, through the VWAP. So the NASDAQ right now kind of lagging. We get through this. Got that gap fill up to the 340s. ES trying to go. NASDAQ wants to go. If the ES makes a new high right here, I think NASDAQ will have to push through VWAP. There we go. Yes. Very nice, very nice. Through the VWAP now. Up there to the 20s. Trying to get through the 20s here next. There we got that gap fill up to the 340s. The ES now pushed up. The NASDAQ pushed up. Where's NASDAQ going? 340s. Who would have thought, people? Who would have thought? Still going. Still pushing. We're long right now off of this 87s. Let me get 100 points up there through the 350s next. ES making new highs right now. NASDAQ trying to push up. You gotta love it. Like I said, that break through the 300s. Bull flag. Fill the gap now. ES made a big old move up through the overnight highs, so NASDAQ going as well. ES right up there to that pivot point, 5,876. Mike, sorry. Sorry. We got 2 more days. 2 more days in Hawaii, and then I'm throwing this microphone away. Don't worry, we're going back to Florida. We got that good. Got that good mic in Florida waiting for me. This is like a $300 microphone. I don't know why y'all are hating on it. It's like a Logitech microphone. It's the same one that Tory Trades uses, you know? What the fuck? I have this one too, but it won't work on my Mac. So, whatever. Haters gonna hate. Players gonna play. Still looking for this push up here. Little money honey. That's Victoria's new nickname, Money Honey. She's a little money honey. Victoria in the kitchen over there, up $800. My girlfriend making more money than ICT. Guys, people are asking about the microphone. Yes, I'm going back to Florida. I'm in Hawaii right now. All right. Once I get back to Florida, we got the good microphone. Don't worry. I'm not broke. I can afford a microphone. Are you on house arrest in Hawaii? Yes. I'm a criminal. They put me on house arrest. Patrick can't leave the house. What are you talking about? Why would I be on house arrest? The fuck? If we get 1,000 likes, I'll play the ICT video or song. We need 1,000 likes here. What's my profit target? I would like to see a push up there to the 20,400 area. That that pivot point up there, 20,419s. Just get rid of all this crap up here and look at this. Get this little bull flag breakout through here, and then try to get right on up there. Got to get through this 40 area and then pivot point up there, 20,418s. Florida or Hawaii, would you choose one? Are you in a trade right now? Yes, I am long. We are long. We're long looking for a move up here. Like I said earlier, looking for that push through the VWAP off the 21 EMA. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. I literally say the move before it happened. Who knows? Who knows? Oh. When are you going to change that shirt, buddy? This one? I have like 20 of these. Fuck the people in the chat. What do y'all got? Oh, Patrick, change your shirt. Yes, I don't have more than one black shirt. Oh my God. NASDAQ stuck right there at the 340s. That's that gap fill. We filled the gap. Yesterday's close, so we want to get above yesterday's close here. Pulling back again. Florida or Hawaii? I'd probably pick Florida, to be honest. That's why I live in Florida. How many cheetah shirts do I got? Not enough. What part of Florida? Fort Lauderdale? If you guys haven't already hit that like button, blow up the like button. For how many years have you been trading? Almost 8 years now. Or it might be 8 years, whatever. 8 years. We got the bull flag. Basically, it's got to get above that close of day from yesterday, 42s, and then I think we're making another leg up here. Through the 42s, one more leg up. 've not taken out the overnight high, so we took out the overnight low already obviously, so. .15 chart bull flag, and we pushed back up there through the 15-minute range, right? We talked about this in a video recently. That 15-minute range, once it's set, if we get that move back through the middle of it and we push through this. I don't know what the mic is doing. If you want to learn more about the 15-minute range, check out the course. It's $199 to check it out. NASDAQ just consolidating, pulling back here into the VWAP again. Stupid microphone. What a stupid microphone. I should have known it was a piece of shit when Tory Trades had it. Should have known. NASDAQ in trouble here. Uh-oh. Pulling back into the 21 EMA one more time. The bulls basically need to keep this level intact. If we start selling down here, it's not good. Not good. The ES and the NASDAQ both just kind of turned back down at the same time here. Uh-oh. Turn on the sell algorithms one more time, they said. NASDAQ not looking too hot right now, just chopping around here in the 15-minute range again. We lost that 21 EMA and we lost the VWAP here, coming right back down. ES dumping back down, NASDAQ dumping back down. Trouble here. NASDAQ back down there to the 260s now. NASDAQ down there to the 260s. It just lost all that support. The ES moving back down there through the VWAP again. Got the 15-minute range down there at the 42s. ES is looking pretty weak right now. NASDAQ also just pulling back hard here. Back to the 15-minute range again. That pivot point on the NASDAQ down there at the 178s. flag in here. Oh yeah, Apex is, I think, 80% off again. I think. Yeah, Apex is back to 80% off. Use the link, the chat. I just changed it this morning in the fucking thing, man. Huh. It's live. It's live. Use the code PW for 80% off. NASDAQ just holding up at the bottom of that 15-minute range for now. All right, testing 21 EMA, testing. Apex is 1 day pass, 80% off. Yeah. NASDAQ just chopping around here. Again, back up there above the 21 EMA. Yes, the PW code is 80% off and 1 day pass for Apex. Check it out. They got some new rules, new payout rules coming, new stuff going on. I got paid out. I requested a payout on Monday. The money is in my account today on Wednesday. So Juan. I didn't. Oh my God. Drawing a line like this does not mean, it just is literally looking at the trend. So you're saying it failed. It's like, it's not that it failed. It just, we didn't enter. No reason to enter if it can't break to the upside there. Same thing with the downside move. So relax, Juan. Patrick drew a bear flag at the bottom and it didn't go lower. What an idiot. What an idiot. I can't believe Patrick put a yellow line on the chart and the market didn't go lower. What an idiot. Oh my God, he's so dumb. $15-minute chart just holding up here. For now. Right to the VWAP there again at the 308s. NASDAQ just chopping around inside the 15-minute range here. $15-minute chart. Trying to hold on here. Why don't you monitor the YM? I do. Guys, I can't. It's too early in the morning for these stupid fucking questions. I have multiple charts pulled up, people. Come on. I see the Dow. It's up at the highs right now. I see that. I know. Yeah, the ES is pushing back up. I see everything. God. Sometimes, just like, it's too early in the morning. Patrick, why do you not look at the Dow? Patrick, why do you not look at the ES? Patrick, why do you put a yellow light? Patrick. Oh, God. NASDAQ just chopping around here in the middle of this fucking range for now. VWAP 21 EMA acting as resistance here. Will we get through the VWAP again? Do we break to the downside? Waiting to watch. Waiting, watching. On a serious note, will ICT pay me? Probably not. Probably not. ES is right there at the VWAP, chopping around. NASDAQ pulling back here again. 21 EMA. Did he ever sign the contract? Otherwise, how does he actually owe you? Come on, that's not... Ricky, are you fucking moron? He literally posted everywhere saying he was gonna take all my money, he was gonna take the shirt off my back. Oh, we didn't sign a contract, so it doesn't matter. Like, come on, bro. He talked about it for months. He wouldn't sign a fucking real contract, no shit. NASDAQ testing that little yellow trend line. Patrick, do you still look at Bookmap? Guys, I'm in Hawaii. I don't have all my stuff. I don't have Bookmap. It's nothing personal. I'm very like streamlined right now. We don't have everything that we have in Florida. All right, I'm on the Mac. It's just people in the chat. Yeah, Ricky never bought the course because he said that he was right about it after the market closed. Yes, ICT doesn't owe me. You're right, Ricky. There's no point, you know. No point in arguing a fucking moron. Yes, your word is nothing. If you say something and it doesn't matter. If you say, "Hey, Patrick, I'm going to take your girlfriend. I'm going to take the shirt off your back. I'm going to take all your money. I agree to the bet." If you say that, it means nothing. You're right. 100%. Ricky's not even true to his word. He's waiting to get a payout to buy the course. That makes a lot of sense. You didn't win the bet, Ricky. Ricky's getting fucking banned. Don't even buy the course, you little fucking piece of shit. Ricky said that the market was going to close at a certain level, or it was going to go below a certain level. And then the market closed. And then after hours, it went lower. And he said, oh, I told you so. No, Ricky, you didn't. You told us, hey, the market's going to go below this level today. If I say, hey, everybody, I think the market is 100% going to go below 20,200 today. If I say today, and then after hours, after the market closes, it goes below 20,000, I'm not right. That's not right. I'm not right. You know, like, if you say today, it means today, Ricky. Not tomorrow, not after hours, not in the morning. It's today, Ricky. It's today. NASDAQ just sitting here. NASDAQ just holding up here at the 280s. Holding up, holding. The ES, the NASDAQ, everything just kind of stuck right here in the middle of this range. Right up there to the 20 EMA. Getting very tight here, very tight. Lose this 70 support. I think we started moving back down here. Let's see. Just chopping right there. Oh, just chop it, chop it, chop it. Ba, 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 da, ba, 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 ba. Like, really just gonna chop it around here. Be like yesterday now, we were just chop around for the rest of the day. Gotta make that money early in the morning, right at open, and then get in, get out, baby. Back up 21 EMA again. Is there any sort of continuation? Little bit off our little trend line there. Market getting real tight here. The ES and the NASDAQ trying to push back up. That NASDAQ just right here below the VWAP. We got to get through that VWAP level. Back above the 21 EMA for now, but got to go. 15-minute chart, that last candle got denied right there at the VWAP for now. So we got 3 minutes left here. Will we push through the VWAP? Up there to the VWAP once again. VWAP. And then that 340 area is the close of day from yesterday. Close of day from yesterday at the 340s. She's a going. Push up there through the VWAP once again. See that 15-minute chart starting to break out. 340s. That 21 EMA is up there, the 324s. Market trying to go. And real tight there on the 15-minute chart. Right at the VWAP now. Both the ES and the NASDAQ breaking back up after pushing. The ES pushed up off the VWAP. NASDAQ right now sitting at the VWAP here. Got that 340 area to get to next. Here's that 320 area again, and we are up here earlier. Can we push? $340, and then that next pivot point is up there at 20,418s. Will be your next pivot point. Lunas passed all 5 combines. Let's go. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. NASDAQ right here at the VWAP. We have not taken out the overnight high yet, so the fact that we haven't done that just makes me think it's possible. But what do I know? I'm just stuck right there at the VWAP for now. Just watching paint dry over here. Watching paint dry. Someone said 20,500 easy today. Oh, Lord. 20,500 easy. Easy. Easy, they said. How easy is it, you think? How easy is it? Can you confirm that it's easy? How long did it take me to get my first payout? I can't even remember. I started trading with Top Step last year or the year before. Kind of like, it took me a couple months. We just took $100,000 in payouts this week. I put a video up yesterday. If you haven't checked that out, check it out. Right now, the NASDAQ, can she go? Up there to the 24s now. Someone said in the chat, said 20,500 easy. Easy. You know, easy. Easy. Sounds too good to be true. Sounds too good to be true. It's always when the guy in the chat says easy that the market isn't easy. Easy, NASDAQ, easy. Chivista, are we up or are we down? We're always up, baby. We're always up. Never down. Market's back down though. Back to the 21 EMA once again. I don't know, man. Is this gonna be like one big massive bear flag here? Fucking A. NASDAQ going absolutely nowhere. It's about to be time for me to go to the gym. Maybe come back for a little power hour later, see what happens. But right now, this is going nowhere. NASDAQ's it's in no hurry to go somewhere, it said. Putting in those higher lows, putting in higher lows, but if we crack this trend line, I think it's trouble to the downside very quickly, so they gotta hold it up here. Hold it up here. The 21 EMA and the VWAP really just holding us down here. Just holding us down. You gotta get away. Get away. Get away from all that, baby. Back up there to the VWAP once again. Watching the ES, if the ES is going to start to move up. It's just nothing really looking good here. It's like an actual just battle. Just an actual battle here. Are we playing out with one of these right now? Are we going to play out one of these? Look how tight this thing's getting. Is that the... We got to play out with one of these? Nafi Adris, you haven't seen any students learn from Patrick. You're right. Why are you so right? No one's ever learned here. We don't learn. We just make money. Buy low, sell high, baby. No strategy needed. Just buy it when it's at the bottom, sell it when it's at the top. Right there to the VWAP once again. Now it's like getting real tight here. Real tight. Real tight. Waiting for something big to happen. I was like, expect. It's just like too perfect right now. Just sitting there, waiting, watching. I'm gonna break out here. That 340 area up there to try to break to, but again, just tapping that trend line, stuck. This is like that, you know, that when you're like sitting there and you're getting to a point where you're almost maxed out. You're like, I'm done. I don't want to trade it anymore. I don't want to look at it anymore. And then you walk away, and then you come back and you see this fucking move up 100 points. God damn it. We're right there. If I don't walk away, the market's never going to go up. You know, if I don't walk away right now. Oh. $20,500 easy. Easy 20,500s. Easy, boys. Patrick, does the price always bounce off pivot points? No, not always, but it definitely interacts with them, moves around them sometimes. Sometimes you go right on through there, to be honest. Oh my God, look how tight this thing's getting. It's so tight. Something's about to happen. Oh God, which way? Up or down? Do you think it'll go anywhere today? I don't know. Probably not. Probably not. The whole entire market right now is just waiting for this thing to do something. If it happens, it should start moving nicely in a certain direction, but who knows? By the way, Apex is back to 80% off. 80% off. They got new rules, new stuff coming out, faster payouts, all that good stuff. So if you want to learn more, check out Apex. Link somewhere in the chat here. But right now, NASDAQ once again. Just sitting here at the 21 EMA. Oh, buddy. Something's happening. Something's happening. Something's happening. Got to get through this. Just got to get through that 320 area. Fucking A. The ES is trying to push. The NASDAQ's trying to push. Just very tight here. We should try to go through this 320 area up there to the 340, 360s possibly if we really start to go. But the ES just needs to break out. We got that ES pivot point at the 5,876s. There's the 20 break. Need some continuation to get through here. Push it, push it. Push it, push it. Push it. Push it, push it, push it. Push it. Push it. Trying to get up there into the 30s. my Lord. Right back down there again. Right back to the VWAP once again. How is this possible? YOLO, right back down there to the VWAP again. Is the $199 course worth it? You know, it's $199, so if we're looking at the value here, it's $199. That's like basically one evaluation at a prop firm. So, I mean, I guess it really just comes down to how you want to spend your money. Some people would say, oh, 200 is pretty worth it because Tori trades, she's $2,000. You could pay $2,000 to learn how to trade from Tori Trades, or you could pay $200 to learn from this guy. Which one you gonna pick, It's your choice. Welcome to America, the home of the free, the brave. Well, let's see, NASDAQ. Get through that 30-40 area, possibly. ES is trying to move up. NASDAQ's trying to push. So I hate the market sometimes. I literally hate it sometimes. Why do you do this? Goes right up to the 30s again, just gets stuck there. One more time. Hey, 30s, one more time. ES is trying to break out. NASDAQ's trying to push. Tori charges $2,000. Yes, $2,000 if you want to sign up for Tori Trades. Check her out. She'll teach you how to trade and make millions. You just got to pay her $2,000 first. $2,000 seems like a lot of money for a course. And like I said on Twitter, I mean, Tori Trades, she made $100,000 this year, and she's selling a course for $2,000. I made $100,000 in a week selling a course for $200. I feel like the value, the value that I'm offering here, people. Isn't ICT free? Yes. You could learn from a person who believes that God taught them how to trade. You could, but it's also time is money. So, do you really want to, how many years of your life do you want to spend learning from a person who literally said that God taught him how to day trade? So, I mean, I guess for some reason it's just, God taught ICT how to trade, but he did not teach ICT how to win the Robbins Cup. That right there, just, I don't understand it. You think if you learned from God, you would be able to win the Robbins Cup every year. Like, if God taught me how to trade, I'd be like, damn, I am good. I'm the best trader on the planet because God taught me to trade. Hey, I'm not saying that I don't believe in God or not. I'm just saying, like, you got to think, like, if God taught you to trade, would you not be the best trader ever and you would win the Robbins Cup every single year? If truly God taught you, would you not, like, just make billions and trillions of dollars? NASDAQ, I'm just going to go to the gym, I guess. This is going nowhere quickly. Going nowhere quickly, they said. I cannot deal with this anymore. I cannot deal with this. I cannot deal with this trading anymore. I quit. I'm retiring. Can you show us a recap of your day? Yeah, why not? Let's do it. Hey, let's do fucking recaps, baby. Let's recap the whole motherfucking day for you. Let's just go over it. Let's just talk about it. Let's just talk about everything that's happened today. So this morning I woke up at 3 a.m., right? So I wake up at 3, and then what I like to do is put some money, make some money. You can see here in my fast track accounts, we're up $20,000 in these accounts. We just requested a payout, actually. NASDAQ back down here to the 300s once again. So we up $1,000 in our fast track accounts. 20 accounts, that's 20,000. If you do the math, $20,000 in each account, that's 20,000. Yeah, that's right. So 20,000 there. And then if we go over here and we look at my PA accounts for Apex, let's just look at those really quickly. Gotta change that. Actually, let me go back to here. NASDAQ right back down there to the 300s once again. And there is my 20 accounts with Apex, making $1,000 in each account. So that's $20,000 at Apex, 20,000 in the other people as well. NASDAQ just absolutely going nowhere, so it's a good time to walk away, I guess. Call it a day right there. The ES dipped down, NASDAQ dipped down. It's fucking, what a joke. What a joke. What a joke. All right, so there it is. I'm gonna walk away. I'm gonna go to the gym. I'll be back later for a little power hour session. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today. If you want to learn more, check out the course. It's $199. If not, well, go fuck yourself. Peace to the Middle East. Actually, let me just. I gotta do something here really quick. Don't worry. Gotta play something for you guys. Push, and I fucking leave. Push, going down hard. Push. Oh my gosh. Little push, going down hard. Push. Oh my gosh. Push. That was fun. See y'all later for Power Hour.